Okay, so this is the explanation for this trick. So the first thing you need is a normal deck like this and one blue card. Okay, so the setup is putting this card on the bottom of the deck like this. Okay, so and now ready to perform. Okay, so you spread the deck and the spectator choose one card from the deck. For example, they choose this card. It is 4 of diamonds. Okay, so when you spread the deck to choose one card, make sure don't spread on of the deck like this, because they can see the blue card on the bottom. Okay, spread the top deck like this and let the spectator choose one card. For example, they choose this card, 10 of spades. Okay, take this 10 of spades out, show the spectator, and then put it back on the top of the deck like this. Then execute the swing cut. Cut the deck in half like this. Grab it by your left hand. Put the rest deck on top like this. And now, as you can see, the blue card is, the selection is below the blue card like this. Okay. One more time. The selection on top. Swing cut. Cut the deck in half. Put the rest deck on top like this. Okay. So now, at this point, spread the deck again like this and show the spectator the different card in the middle of the deck like this, and keep spreading to the end like this. And now at this point, grab the deck, include the blue card like this, and put it on top. Okay, put it on top of the deck. Okay, the next step is executing the double lift. You can use pinky count like this, grab the double. Okay, or thumb count, spread the deck like this. Okay, but I suggest you to use pinky count because it's very safe to perform. Okay, so you can use anything you want. Okay, so when you get the double, turn it around like this, and you can then, and the spectator can see the selection. Okay, so at this point, you use your left thumb, push over the selection, and at the same time spin your hand like so, and put the edge on the table, and use your left thumb to kick this card out of the deck like this. Okay, one more time. Use your use your left thumb, push over the selection. At the same time, spin your hand like so to make sure the spectator can't see this. Okay, spin your hand, put the edge on the table. Use your right thumb to kick this card out of the deck. Okay, so now at the same time, put the rest deck on the table. Okay, so at this point, you can use some magic gestures like this, or snap and turn over the card. Okay guys, so that's it. That's my explanation for the trick, and hope you guys like it. And if you like my videos, please click subscribe and like my videos. So thank you again. See you.